Welcome, Commander. You are about to undertake the first faster-than-light flight in the history of mankind. Your destination is Alpha Centauri, and although we expect a problem-free flight, you should be prepared for all possibilities. A good mission starts with choosing the right ship and the right crew. In this mission briefing, we will introduce you to your options for both. The mission offers 4 slots for specialists, which you can select from our pool of suitable candidates. Among them are astronauts, pilots and engineers that you would usually see on a spaceflight, but also several scientists and even some from media and mission planning that would not be part of a crew on a normal flight, but have been selected for this first interstellar flight. The special abilities of your crew members will become important in certain stressful situations when undertaking an off-board exploration operation. Skills with repairs may also be a deciding factor. Every candidate also has permission to bring 1 personal item on board. Those could be valuable resources for repairs or maybe interesting gifts during a possible but improbable first contact with aliens. After deciding on a crew, you may choose between 3 different models for your ship: ISS Ulysses, ISS Endurance and ISS Discovery. Each one has slightly different characteristics, such as hull strength, jump distance or size of the cargo hold. The Endurance, for instance, is a tough ship with a big freight space, whereas the Discovery is fast but not as well armored. If you are not sure which type might suit your command style best, we recommend taking the ISS Ulysses that offers a balanced set of characteristics. Each of these ships has been designed for interplanetary space only and not for landing on a planet. For those missions, you will take a lander on board. For this small vehicle, you may also choose one of 3 models: ISV Serenity, Odyssey or Pathfinder. The Serenity is a balanced ship, the Odyssey is extra sturdy and well suited to drilling for resources, and the Pathfinder has been designed for reconnaissance and can take on more fuel but is less resilient. Your mothership offers several facilities. Comms stands for your communications gear. In the unlikely case of a first contact, you will use them to answer hails and communicate with other ships. The database keeps a log of your missions and offers additional data about known places and possibly alien races. Here you will also find a galaxy map to confirm your current location. The bridge offers an overview of all ship-related data. How much fuel is left in the tanks? Is there any damage to the ship? Which modules have been installed and are all systems up and working? There is a similar set of data for your lander. Here you can see if the hull or the systems have been damaged. If you want to jettison a lander left behind planetside, you can also give the command here. We strongly recommend you only do this if there is no other way, as you will probably also leave the pilot to die. Under Resources, you see which cargo spaces hold which raw materials. Each row of cargo holds can only be filled with the same overall resource. Freight will be automatically transferred from the lander as long as there is still a free row. If you want to make space for more valuable raw materials or to make sure you use your cargo space more efficiently, you can do that by choosing the red button up top to vent a row of cargo holds. The other riders in the interface are linked to the refinery for fuel and exotic matter or the hull repairs for the ship and the lander. To make things easier, we use a simple color code. The gases, shown in blue, are used to produce fuel. The green minerals are turned into exotic matter, and the grey metals are used for hull repairs. The quarters are the home of your crew, and you get an overview of their health. Injuries are shown as symbols, but you can get more information at a closer look. Here is also where you decide who will be the lander pilot. The current pilot is marked by a black and yellow outline. The lab is where you work with your tools and modules that you might want to install. Even healing your crew with medication is done via the lab. Listen to your crew members when they tell you whether they are fit for a task or need medical attention. If you have any other questions before embarking on your momentous journey, you will certainly find your answers in the next videos about navigation, flight controls, lander missions, harvesting resources, and exploring new solar systems.